How to take care of your hair. Whether you have long locks, short strands, curly, or straight hair, this video is packed with tips and tricks to keep your hair healthy and gorgeous. Step 1. Know your hair type. The first step to great hair care is understanding your hair type. Is it straight, wavy, curly, or coily? Each hair type has unique needs, so knowing yours will help you choose the right products and treatments. Step 2. Washing your hair. It's crucial to use the right shampoo and conditioner for your hair type. For example, if you have dry hair, look for moisturizing shampoos and conditioners. If you have oily hair, go for a clarifying shampoo. Remember not to wash your hair too frequently, as it can strip away natural oils. Generally, 2 to 3 times a week is enough. Step 3. Conditioning and detangling. Conditioning is essential for keeping your hair hydrated and manageable. Apply conditioner mainly to the ends of your hair and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing. For detangling, use a wide tooth comb while your hair is still wet to avoid breakage. Step 4. Drying your hair. Always be gentle when towel drying to prevent damage. Instead of rubbing, pat your hair dry. If you use a blow dryer, opt for a lower heat setting and use a diffuser attachment to minimize heat damage. Step 5. Heat protection. If you're going to use styling tools like flat irons or curling wands, always apply a heat protectant spray first. This will create a barrier between your hair and the heat, reducing the risk of damage. Step 6. Regular trims. Regular trims are vital to keep your hair looking fresh and healthy. Aim to get a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to prevent split ends and breakage. Step 7. Nourishing treatments. Hair masks or oil treatments at least once a week. These treatments provide extra hydration and nutrients, leaving your hair soft and shiny. Step 8. Healthy lifestyle. Lastly, a healthy lifestyle plays a significant role in hair health. Eat a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, stay hydrated, and get plenty of sleep. Your hair will thank you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content.